Alright, what's going on, guys? We're actually working on the blue car today, which makes me really happy. The part that sucks about it is it's maintenance. Or not even maintenance, it's repairing. So the car, ever since I got it, every time I go fill it up, it just bogs down, revs weird, stuff like that. And I've always just chopped it up as the battery in it. Because some people have told me if you don't have to put a Ford Motorcraft battery in it, they lead to these issues, which is going to be the second thing I do if this thing that I got today doesn't work. But this is what everybody says is the main issue. And it's one of these little Evap Purge canister thing. So I've looked online, it seems like it's pretty easy to install, especially on a 3.7 because they're right there at the top. So let's go ahead and get into it. Step one, open the door and pop the hood. Step two, identify what you're taking out. Step three is going to be removing this connector, which should just pop right out. Yes. Then we're going to unbolt these and take that out, which I'm kind of worried about because that's a little clip, man. Little clips suck. All right, step three, just pop this out. It was like that. For people who like to put stuff in the right way. And I just took two flatheads or one and just popped it. So now it's time to test and see if this is bad. All right, the guy online says that the way to test these is to blow into this. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it is coming through. So hopefully this is the issue. If not, then it's not supposed to come through here at all because it's a electronically controlled component. So that means that even if this does not fix everything like I want it to, it's going to fix something. So that's good. And if you own a Ford product, these apparently go out a lot. And I don't know why I bought another Ford Motorcraft one, if that's the case. So let's install this other one. Alright, so I just kind of put everything back together. Now, I did put a little oil on the O-ring. It's just something I've always been told to do. I tried not to spill it on the actual parts itself, so that way it doesn't get mixed, but it's oil. So even if it does, it'll burn. I was just worried about it creating too much pressure when going in, but it seems like it is fine. I don't know how many times I've like checked it to tighten it and all that, but it should be fine now. So honestly, I just reconnected everything, connectors reconnected, pin is in, pushed in all the way, all that. So now it's time to start it. So I gotta go grab my keys real quick. Okay, there we go. So as long as it doesn't lean out, I think we did good. Because if it leans out, no. As long as I didn't create a vacuum leak, we're fine. Sucked in. Seems like it's on there tight. It's idle and normal. So best thing really to do is take it for a test drive and go fill it up because I think it does need gas. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. We're down here at the local Exxon. I usually run shells in this, but I have 3/4 of tank, so I think even just adding a little bit will make a difference. So I'm gonna put some 93 in it and see if it changes anything. All right, put $15 in it. I'm gonna grab the right Mustang key. Let's start her up and see if she bogs. Now they say may do this one time after you fill up the car, just because it needs to get used to itself, but it may also not do it. So let's see. I'm gonna give it like a solid 2 or 3 minutes. I mean, the RPMs are moving. And if you guys are wondering what that tire pressure monitor fault is, it's because I put my performance wheels on here with no TPMS sensors in them. Oh my god, did I fix it? Not doing anything. Oh my god, I fixed it. Hell yeah. Oh, I thought you hit my car. I was like, damn. No, it doesn't die, it bogs.
Oh.
Not bogging.
Would it have bogged by now?
Yeah. I think I fixed it.
Oh boy.
And after 2 weeks, or no, a month of starting this video, because I had to wait to get new tires, I can finally drive this thing and have fun again.
Uh-oh, traction control's still off.
No, it's not. That's
Flash.
that's TPMS.
Oh.
I don't have sensors in this car.
Oh, there's an exclamation mark on it.
Yeah.